You guys already know I'm coming here to film real quick because I want to show you guys what I got for gratis. You should know by now I've done this. This is what, episode 9? 10? 9? One of them. It'll be up in the thing, you know, in the description bar or title, whatever. It's St. Patty's Day today, at least. By the time this goes up, it'll probably be a week from now because, you know, I suck at editing and getting things up. But, yes, it's St. Patrick's Day and I got gratis and I can't wait to show you guys. Because, you know, I don't touch things, don't use things, don't put stuff away until I show you. So, let's get started. I had green lips on, but they was getting real dry and crusty. You know, I used that green highlighter from BOXYCHARM. I knew there would be a day when I'd want to use it. But let's go ahead and jump on in. So the first thing is this Away Hair Care Anti-Frizz like paper thingy. It's an anti-frizz hair sheet. There's one sheet in here. They come in a box of like a bunch of them, so I'm guessing they just took a box and gave us each one. But yeah, it says it quickly tames frizz and adds shine with this one-of-a-kind travel-friendly smoothing sheets. Works like hair oil, smells like expensive perfume, fits in your wallet. I have not heard good things about these though, so I don't know. We'll have to see. The next thing is, what's next? Something I already had before. I've gotten this before on gratis. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I like this. I use it quite a bit. I have one right now in my rotation. I have an extra. I think at least one, if not two extra. Maybe this will go to my sister. I don't know if she has this. I think she'd like it though, so maybe I'll give it to her because, you know, I have a bunch. Let's see if she watches my video. If she watches it, I'll give it to her. If she doesn't watch it, she's not getting it. And, you know, she won't know that she's missing out. She should watch my videos. Next, I'm going to save, like, the two really amazing things for last. The next thing that I got is the new Caviar Hair. It's an anti-aging, anti-frizz blowout butter for your hair. It's for medium to thick hair. I have thick hair, you know. It says, it's by Alterna, of course. I have used some Alterna stuff before, and I wasn't the biggest fan. But then at the same time, I have used some stuff that's like in the Caviar line of Alterna, and I've really liked it. So, we'll see. I also got a sample of their shampoo and conditioner from the same line that I wanted to try. This is just for blowouts. It says, a lightweight melting criminal oil butter that helps provide 72 hours of humidity protection, thermal protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and reduces blow drying time by 40% for smooth and shiny hair. Not sure I would use this to blow dry because I don't blow dry my hair, sorry. But, like, if I'm going to straighten my hair, maybe I could use it. But it says you have to use it on damp hair. Or just, like, after my shower or whatever, just to hope, in hopes that as it dries, it will stay not frizzy. You know, because I get kind of frizzy. Can you guys tell? I sprayed some stuff on my hair earlier, like some color. So it's looking a little bit different, but, you know, you get my drift. Okay, 3 things down, a couple more to go. The next thing that I got is by BOXYCHARM. It's this little duo. You open it up, and there's 2 products inside, 2 minis. They are the Prismatic Pearl Multi-Stick. It says it's a multi-dimensional pearls, provide a unique shimmer that shifts with the light. Silicone-free formula glides like silk onto skin. Personalized coverage from light to layered for lips, eyes, and cheeks. I already have stuff on my eyes, so we're going to put it on my lips. This is how much you get in the mini version of it. I mean, they have like a full-size one that's bigger, but this is the one that I got. Mine is in the shade Rose Pearl. There's also Blush Pearl, Pink Pearl, Oyster Pearl, and Peacock Pearl. This is probably the last one that I would have chosen. I honestly would have preferred to have any of the other colors. But, you know, still grateful. Still going to try it on. It's kind of hard to get a precise application. It's not super opaque either, but it's kind of pretty. I think it would look good like layered, you know, like on like a brown lip or something, and then you just like layer it on top. Pardon Landon in the back. And also, pardon the thunder, it started storming all of a sudden. I was coming home from Subway and it's just thunder and lightning. Let me see if I can get like a brown lip and put that on top and see if it looks better. But what brown lip do I have that I can just slap off? I'm pretty sure I have one from Bite, which will be perfect because it'll go right with their product. The thing about Bite is like you don't know what color it is until you open it up, because like I have a bunch of these, but I don't know what color they are because I have to open every single one of them to find out. Is this the brown one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's just hard to get it precise, you know? You know what probably would have been the perfect thing? The nude sticks. But let's go ahead and slap this on top. See, that is pretty. I was right. I mean, obviously I would have to do like a more clean application. Then you have the lipstick first, but that's real pretty. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to take this off though because we got 2 more lip products. Anyways, we also from Bite got the Agave lip mask. They just came out with a new scent. It's maple. That's not the one I got, which is odd. I got just the natural one, and it's just like your basic lip mask. It's just for, that's it. It's an overnight treatment for hydration, or dab on a little bit of during the day for moisture. It's supposed to soothe and soften with jojoba oil, agave nectar, and vanilla CO2 extract. I guess we'll put this on after the other lipstick, because heads up, there's another lipstick. Actually, let's go ahead and get that out, and then we'll come back to the agave mask. Oh, by the way, in the agave mask, they also have the champagne color, the smashed color, and the maple color. I've used the champagne and the smashed color before. They're okay. I like the Laneige lip mask better, but it is what it is. Okay, you guys know, you already know that I'm gonna love this. You should already know, because it's the Fenty lip. It's the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the matte. I have a problem every time I try to say this. I know how to say it. Mademoiselle. Plush matte lipstick by Rihanna. They are new. They come in, what is it, 4, 8, 12, 15, 16 colors. I can't add 14 colors. I have 2 of them. You guys know I have the minis. These are the 2 minis that I have in the shades Candy Venom and Griselda. And the shade that I got is one of the boys. It is this pink violet-y color. Pretty exciting, actually. I really like this formula. You guys know that Griselda is like one of my favorites, and I really want the orange ones as well, like the Up to No Good and the Single and the Freckle Fiesta and the Saucy. And Madame. I basically want all of them. But let's put this on. And I like how it has a little FB on it for Fenty Beauty. Focus. Please, please. Can you guys see it? I hope so. They're just so comfortable. Is this my perfect color? No. Am I gonna wear it anyways? Heck yeah. Look at this. Like, why wouldn't I wear this color? It's so comfortable, it's so opaque, and it's pretty. It doesn't go with my eyes that well. But do I care? No, I don't. See, my mirror, I always just like bring it close. And then because if I look at it, I feel like I'm out of frame, like you can't see me. So, but yeah, I like this. Real comfortable, matte looking for sure. Like it's like I would say it's a satin. Definitely a satin. Like it's not glossy, but it's a satin. But it's real comfortable, and I really like this formula, and I want all of them. I want them all. Oh, my camera's about to die. I gotta hurry up. Okay, the next thing that I got is something that I've been wanting to buy because I've got a sample of it and I really freaking like it. And I was like, girl, I want to get this, but I didn't want to spend like $30 for it, to be honest. But I have something similar and I love it. But I'm like halfway through it and I'm like, what am I going to do when I run out? But I got my answer. I'm going to use it. Hangover RX Primer. Super freaking excited. It's silicone free. It's a coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin revivers. And it's basically a primer moisturizer. You know, you guys know that I love my, sorry if I moved the camera, Smashbox Primerizer. Also got it in gratis. No shade. I don't care. If I try stuff, then I try stuff, you know. But I'm totally going to rebuy this when I run out because I'm like halfway out now. And I live for it. But this stuff, I know it's good and I wanted to buy it that way. That's why I'm glad I got it in gratis because I was going to buy it anyways. Anyways, let me take this off so that way you can put that lip mask on. Even though I know you guys love seeing me in a purple lip. Don't you? I'm taking half my makeup off. Oh well. Let's put that lip mask on. It's kind of a small tube, but it's okay. One of my coworkers like swears by this. A lot of people really like this, but I like the Laneige one better. It just feels more hydrating, you know? Like it, my lips look glossy with it, and it's just nice. Like this just looks to me like I have chapstick on. It's real sticky. It's not my favorite. But you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. It's okay. Well, I mean, it's like does its job of hydrating, I guess. Last but not least, we got 2 foundations. Am I hype? Yes, because I'm not in color. Did I get the option to be in color? No. Am I salty? A little bit. But you know, it's okay because I learned a lot about skincare and I like skincare. Do I feel like they realize that I'm in skincare right now? No, because I didn't get any skincare in this gratis. But that's a little weird because we came out with some new stuff. But it's fine. It's fine. You know, I'm grateful that I got what I got because, you know, I got some good stuff. I got quite a bit of good stuff, actually. But I did get the Sephora Collection foundation stick. If I can get it open. It is the Make No Mistake Foundation and Concealer Stick. If I could, I'm just not even going to peel the rest of the plastic off. In the shade Driftwood 01, so I'm guessing it's the lightest shade. Not the most perfect undertone. Can you guys see? It's kind of like got a slight pinky undertone. Not what I prefer. Prefer yellow. But you know, we'll try it. I'll try it on camera with you guys. You guys know that stick foundations aren't my favorite. But this is blending out nicely. It's not sinking into my pores and lines of my hand. So we might like this. And I'm pretty sure it's pretty inexpensive too. Like less than 20 bucks. So we're going to try it. How much is in here? 11.6 grams or 0.41 ounces. Usually a foundation is a whole ounce. This is less than half of that. But I mean, it looks like a lot considering, like, it's my thumb. It's kind of quite a bit. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's more than like a chapstick, you know. So we shall see. We shall see. And then lastly, the foundation is the Lancome Idol Ultra Wear. It's a 24-hour wear and comfort, transfer resistant, and it has SPF 15 in the shade 100 Ivory Neutral. I'm excited. I have used this foundation before and I like it, and I feel fancy to say that I have a Lancome foundation. Like, I've used Lancome stuff, like my mascara primer is Lancome. I really like that. I've used this foundation before and I like it. Their little, this thing, what is it called? This plushy thing, what is it? Juicy lip shaker in Boomerang. I like this one. It's kind of weird, like this whole applicator, but I like it nonetheless. I have some Lancome stuff that I like. I think I have like an eyeliner too. But yeah, so this is pretty exciting that I actually like have this, you know. So yeah, that is my gratis haul. I got some good stuff, not like a crazy ton, you know, like, but it's fine. Like, I got some stuff that I wanted. I know that we're getting the, whatchamacallit, the, why can't I think? We're getting the new Kat Von D lipstick in one of the, like, in one of the shades. They haven't told us what shade we're gonna get, so that's exciting. So, yeah. But yeah, so I'm super excited for all of these goodies, you know? Like, this is quite a bit of good stuff. And I'm pretty hyped for it, so, yeah. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my Instagram. It's @MakeItMySmile, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.